Welcome to Calamos Chart Talk. I'm Scott Becker, head of the Portfolio Specialist Group here at Calamos Investments, and today I'd like to talk to you about market volatility and give you some historical perspective about market pullbacks and how they've affected the overall market returns.
Market news outlets have been vocal in announcing that 2016, the U.S. stock market is off to its worst start ever, and investors have responded with outflows to equity funds. While investors may be right to show concerns about the equity markets and the economy in general, this chart shows how frequently a double-digit decline actually occurs within any given calendar year. In 23 of the last 41 calendar years, the S&P has seen a double-digit pullback within the calendar year, so nearly 60% of the time. In fact, every year we've had a significant market pullback, and on average, showing a 14% decline for the market. In those years where the S&P did experience a double-digit decline, 14 of those 23 times, or over 60% of the time, the market ended the year with a positive return. The increased access to market information is a bit of a mixed blessing. No question, transparency is fantastic for investors, but at the same time, multiple sources using attention-grabbing headlines, whether favorable or unfavorable, may lead investors to make an emotional decision relating to a well-thought-out investment plan. It's very difficult to look at a chart showing a steep decline without having a quick negative reaction. But as this chart shows, just as often, a decline in any year was not a harbinger of more bad news to come.
In conclusion, market pullbacks occur probably more often than most people realize. And remember that market pullbacks are included in the long-term averages that financial advisors use to help you build your long-term asset allocation plan to help you meet your investment goals. Emotional decisions rarely turn out well, whether you're looking to buy a stock that's rip-roaring on the way up or trying to get out of a stock or a market that's in rapid decline. So take a step back, make an unemotional, logical decision about what to do in today's market and see how it might affect your long-term plans. Thanks for joining us on today's edition of Calamos Chart Talk.